Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You don't want to wish me good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Please turn on your camera. I can see still there are few students whose cameras are off. Please turn on your camera. I don't want to call your name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, may I go washroom and come fast?
Please go and come fast. Kashmi, please stable your camera. Jigar Singh, turn on your camera. Sit with your notebook. Kivyan, Anne, turn on your camera. Write today's date in the notebook.
My
20,
camera is on.
29/7/20.
Yes. So, children, as you all know, that yesterday we have started a concept related with loan, right? Because in that chapter, Kiran wants to take a loan and to start a business. How much amount she has taken a loan? 8,000 rupees. It is given in your textbook that to start a business, to junk shop, uh, he has to she has to start a shop. For that she needs a loan of rupees 8,000, so she is taking the loan from the bank of rupees 8,000. So now, children, on this concept I want to give you some knowledge about this. Please write it in the notebook. There are three different terms, words we will use in the three different things you will see in the loan. First is the amount. First is the borrowed amount, you can say. Borrowed amount.
What you have writing on the board, you have write on the book.
First, let me explain you, then I will tell you this need to write, then you will write. First, understand. Listen here. Look here, everyone. Borrowed amount. Borrowed amount is called the principal amount. Principal here is not the principal of school. Okay? Spelling may be same. Oh, but this is not the school principal. This is the principal is the borrowed amount. So borrowed amount means the amount which you have taken as a loan. For example, Manya has taken a loan of rupees 10,000. So that amount will be the principal amount. Rupees 10,000. Okay. And on this 10,000, bank told that I will charge some interest. Bank is giving you some period. Bank will give you that after 6 months you will pay, after 1 year you will pay, or after whatever the period, after some period bank is charging the interest. Right now I am giving you the amount of interest, but when you go in the higher class you will calculate the amount of interest with the given percentage. But right now you are not aware what is percentage and how to find the
Ma'am,
percentage.
your voice is cracking.
Now it's coming. Please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
When you go in different banks charge some different amount of interest based on the percentage. So in grade 4 you don't have percentage topic, so you are not aware what is percentage and how to calculate percentage. So I am not giving you the interest in the terms of percentage. I am giving you interest and telling you the interest in terms of amount. So the she borrowed amount was 10,000 and bank is charging the interest of rupees 500. So total amount which she will pay after 6 months or 3 months, whatever the time period bank has given. So she will pay how much, students?
500.
No, no. 500 is the interest. Borrowed amount is the 10,000. Total how much you will pay back?
Ma'am,
Bank.
ma'am, 10,500.
10,500.
10,000. 10,500. This is called the amount. This is called the amount which you will pay. In amount, always the interest is added. In amount, always the interest will be added. So don't write right now. Again, I will explain you. There are the three different words which you will use. One is the amount. One is the amount. Second is the principal. And third is the interest. These are the three different terms which you will use on the basis of taking a loan. Till here it is clear to everyone. Three different words are clear. And always remember, in amount, principal amount means the borrowed amount, and interest will always added in the total amount. Means आप जब बैंक को पे करोगे, बैंक से आपने लिए तो 10,000, इंटरेस्ट अगर 500 पे करोगे तो अमाउंट आपका टोटल हो जाएगा 10,500. Got it everyone?
Ma'am, but I haven't got it the principal one.
Principal is the borrowed amount. अब इस जो बुक में given है that Kiran wants to take a loan, so she has taken a loan of 8,000. 8,000 is the principal amount, जो main borrowed amount है. अब उस पे वो interest pay कर रही है, for example 500. So how much will be the total amount she will pay to the bank after the given time period given by the bank? कि अब 6 months के बाद बैंक में वो कितने वापस देगी? She will pay 8,000.
No, ma'am, she will pay 8,500.
Yes. And interest means what, students? Interest is the extra amount which we are paying for the services which we are using. आप वो 10,000 जो लिए थे वो यूज कर रहे हो, उसको यूज करने फ्री में तो बैंक नहीं दे देगा ना, यूज करने के लिए 10,000 अपने. So for that bank will charge some interest, है ना? We have done yesterday. That's for example, I have taken 10 rupees from Moksh, and Moksh says, okay, after 2 days, ma'am, you will pay me 12 rupees. Why I have to pay 12 rupees? Because I am using his money. I am using 10 rupees which is given by him. And now he is charging 12 rupees from me. How much extra amount he is charging students from me?
Ma'am, 2 rupees more.
And why he is charging 2 rupees more from me?
Because you are
I am
taking.
using his money. Yes.
Because you are using.
Yeah. So total amount, what amount I will pay back to Moksh now? 12 for interest, extra amount plus 10. So how much total I will pay to Moksh now?
Ma'am, 12 rupees.
12 rupees.
In that 12 rupees is the total amount. And in that 12 rupees, what is the principal amount?
Ma'am, 10 rupees.
10
And what
rupees.
is the interest?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Okay. So write these three different names first. And then I'm going to give you a question based on this. First question, find the amount. Always remember, amount is not the borrowed amount. Amount is the total amount in which the principal and interest. You have to write.
These 1, 2, 3, 1 amount.
Yes. These are the three different terms or words used in the terms of loan. Amount, principal और interest. इनके basis पे ही हम कुछ questions करेंगे. Now, can anyone give me the example? Divit, you will give me one example that you have taken a loan from the bank and you are paying back this much amount. Can you give me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
I
try.
take 4,000. I take 4,000 loan from the bank, and after 3 months, I paid 4,500.
So 4,000 was your principal amount, and your interest is 500 in this. Find the amount. Students, how you will find the total amount?
Ma'am, by adding.
Granth, how you will find the total amount? How much he has to pay to the bank?
By adding and
Hmm.
he had to pay 4,500.
Yes. So the answer question is amount equals to principal plus interest, means 4,000 plus 500 gives you 4,500.
Hello, ma'am, but I now also don't understand the interest form.
Interest, you have not understood what is interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Interest is the extra amount which we are paying to the bank for using the money which is given by the bank. हम जिसकी भी सर्विसेज यूज करते हैं उसको हमें पे तो करना होता है. हमने बैंक के 10,000 रुपीज यूज किए, राइट? So bank will charge some extra amount the services which we are using, and that the bank. Wait a minute, Vihan, if I am explaining something. So the services 6 months के लिए कोई अपना पैसा ऐसे ही तो नहीं दे देगा ना बच्चा. They will charge some amount, no? अगर वही पैसा बैंक में हम लोग रखते तो हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलता, राइट? बैंक अगर किसी और अपने पास ही रखती तो बैंक का इंटरेस्ट जुड़ता. यू ऑल नो दैट व्हेन वी हैव एक्स्ट्रा मनी वी कीप इन द बैंक एंड बैंक गिव अस द इंटरेस्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि बैंक हमारा मनी यूज कर रही है. And same way, if we are taking the money from bank has to charge some extra interest, है ना? Extra charges, that is the interest.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
For example, I have given a simple example that I have borrowed 10 rupees from you. But you says, okay, use my 10 rupees, but after 5 days, give me 12 rupees. Why? Why you are charging 12 rupees from me? Why you are charging extra 2 rupees from me?
Because you are using my 10 rupees.
Yes, for 5 days I am keeping your 10 rupees with me. है ना? That is why the bank is charging you are charging 2 rupees extra from me. That is the interest. The extra amount is always the interest, the extra amount. So यहाँ पे borrowed amount was 4,000, but extra amount he has to pay 500, which is interest. Total he will pay back to the bank after using the money. How much amount he will pay?
4,500, ma'am.
4,000. Yes, Vihan Dobaria, ask your query now.
Then we have to write P is equal to 4,000.
Yeah, these are the formulas which are used in the mathematical terms. Yes, Vihan Dobaria.
What Mox said na? The doubt his. It was that only mine.
Now clear?
Yes.
Ma'am,
So the amount equals to...
Ma'am, we have to write after find the amount only P is equal to 4,000.
Yes. P is the short form of principal. I is the short form of interest. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, I am confusing in the principal one, that one.
Principal amount is the borrowed amount. उसको वो एक टर्म यूज करते हैं, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट कहते हैं हम उसको. जो अमाउंट हमने बोरो किया है, जो लोन का अमाउंट लिया है हमने, दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. पर उसके अंदर जब हम इंटरेस्ट ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो टोटल अमाउंट हो जाता है. एंड द फॉर्मूला सेज अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू, मींस अमाउंट आपको निकालना है. You already have the principal amount which is 4,000. Whatever the term is used before equal to sign means you are going to calculate amount here. Amount आपको नहीं पता कि आपको कितना पे. You know that you have borrowed 8,000, but you know that you have to pay 500 as an interest. So how you will calculate total how much you have to pay? By adding.
By adding, yes.
So 4,000 plus 500 will be 4,500 will be your amount. अभी आपने क्या निकाला? Amount निकाला.
Hello, ma'am. After we have to again make is equal to sign.
Yes. Don't write this the way I have written. First, these two terms, the given things which you have. आपके पास given क्या है? Principal given है. Borrowed
Then
amount
we have to dash and write the answer.
Yeah, and then you have to write this amount equals to principal plus interest. This is the formula of finding the total amount. So if you have principal, you have interest plus them and find the total amount.
Ma'am, we can write in 4, means we can write 4, then comma, and then 3 zeros.
Yeah,
In 4
you put the comma, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, this is new topic for you, so don't think that it will come to in your mind in 1 day or 2 day. So don't puzzle yourself. It is interesting topic and it will take time also to understand. Got it? Because it's completely new topic for you all as a grade 4 students. लोन का टॉपिक आपके लिए अलग है, न्यू है. आपके लिए जो terms which we are using are also completely new for you, right? These are terms which we are using, the amount, the interest, the principal. These terms are also new for you. So please take time. Take your time. Don't think कि मुझे एक दिन में क्यों नहीं आया. It will take time to understand. Okay? Suchi, why you not writing, bacha? Why you not writing in your notebook? Suchi, you have your notebook with you? You have your notebook with you, bacha. I'm asking from you. Bring your notebook. You have to write what I am writing on the board. Rajvi Lahoti, Dania, Rajvi Nakre, please turn on your camera. KVR. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write like this.
Wait, let me pin you. How you have written, bacha? No.
Ma'am,
Why? Okay, you have added there only. You have added there only. You have not written, but when you write it in the proper
I'm writing.
write this formula also. Amount equals to principal plus interest.
Ma'am, you have to I'm written like this. First I've written P and the amount. Then I've written the answer down there and I've at the side.
Very good, Dania. My dear, no need. Wait. Who is coming from outside the Tapti Valley, the new child? Any other child wants to enter in the class? Can you please check who is not there in the class? Mantra to will not.
Yes, ma'am, only mantra is not there.
Bhabisha, some other child was coming in the class.
Ma'am, Suchi ma'am.
Suchi was there in the class only, no?
Ma'am, she's there.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What is the second question?
ma'am,
On the first question only, first I want to ask more questions from you all. Yes, Granth, can you give me one example that how much total amount you have taken some loan, then you have to pay interest? Make a question.
I have buy a loan of 8,000
How much?
and 8,000.
Use another number. Use another digits. Not 8,000 simply. 8,000 we have already done.
I have taken a loan of 6,000 and after 4 months I pay bank take 500 interest from me and 6,000 for the loan.
Okay. Now, children, Granth has taken. How much was the loan amount which Granth has taken? Loan amount कितना था?
7,000.
6,000. Who is saying 7,000?
That
Granth has taken a loan of how much?
6,000.
तो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट क्या होगा इसमें? राजवीर नखरे, Rajveer,
Yes.
the loan which Granth has taken, what was the principal amount? What was the borrowed amount in that? Principal amount is the borrowed amount.
7,000.
जब उसने 6 का 1000 का लोन लिया है तो वो 7 कैसे हो जाएगा? ऑटोमेटिकली 1000 इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. I want to talk with that child.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute, Bhavisha. Who is Bhavisha here?
Anyone. I don't know who is Bhavi.
Who entered with the name of Bhavisha ID, beta? Students who entered with the name of Bhavisha Patel.
Ma'am, Kavisha or Bhavisha?
Bhavisha. Okay.
Ma'am, there is no Bhavish.
Okay, now students, again I am repeating Granth. I am repeating the Granth words first. Granth has taken a loan of rupees. Don't raise your hand, lower down your hands first. Everyone lower down your hands. Granth has taken a loan of rupees 6,000. Okay, and he is going to repay the loan after 4 months or 5 months, whatever the contract he has signed. So he is going to repay the loan back to the bank, and he is paying interest of rupees 500 on 6,000. Now my question is, Vishrut, what was the borrowed amount?
And the borrowed amount was 6,000.
Bhavya Sagar, what was the borrowed amount? What was the principal amount? Principal amount and the borrowed amount is the same thing. Don't get yourself confused. So what was the principal amount which Granth has taken? इसको हम लोन अमाउंट भी कहते हैं. म्यूट योरसेल्फ भव्य सागर. इसको हम लोन अमाउंट भी कहते हैं, जो लोन लिया. इसको हम बोरोड अमाउंट भी कहते हैं. इसको हम प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट भी कहते हैं. We call it as loan amount, we call it as borrowed amount, we call it as principal amount. So if these three names will come, don't get yourself confused in this. Got it? Yes or no, students? Got it, everyone? So
Yes,
now again my question is, what was the principal amount in Granth's question? Yes, Kumar.
1,000.
1,000. You better sleep. Manya, wait. What was the principal amount of Granth which Granth has given?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Jigar Singh.
Ma'am, the principal amount was 6,000 and the interest amount was...
I'm only asking principal amount. I will ask the interest from next child. Dhyan Patel, what was the interest what amount of interest he will pay to the bank? कितना interest pay कर रहा है?
Interest, 500.
500 rupees. Okay. So Manya, now total amount, how much he will pay to the bank?
Ma'am, 6,500.
Very good. Interest plus borrowed amount is the total amount. Interest plus borrowed amount is the total amount which he will pay to the bank. Got it, everyone? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next question.
Ma'am, it is all.
Write the
Ma'am,
next. Yes.
we can practice in our maths notebook.
Yes, my dear. I was telling to write in the maths notebook only.
No, ma'am. In exam is there, so I was practicing my maths notebook. That's why.
Mute yourself first. In exams, before the exams, you have done something in the revision notebook also, but now make a one notebook of maths notebook, and then you do regularly your work in that maths notebook. Now next question is, find the principal. Find the principal. Why? Now you will say, why I am not using the word amount with the principal? Children, if I use the word amount with the principal, then you will confuse in the total amount and in the principal amount में आप confuse हो जाओगे. So find the principal in this. The question is amount equals to 2000. Interest equals to,
Ma'am,
yes,
my network issue was there until now. So the question one I've written one only that, but I know the procedure now.
okay.
Ma'am, write directly the second one. Okay.
Yes, write the second.
Ma'am,
Huh?
then we have to write full spelling of amount and interest, or we have to write A and I.
You can write A and I also.
Okay.
Amount equals to 2000 and the interest equals to 300. Find the principal. Now, how you will find the principal? The formula is principal equals to A minus I. Now, here you will subtract. Amount में क्या है? Already interest included है. पर principal में वो interest नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Amount is you are going to pay 2000 to the bank. Which in amount, always please stop writing, everyone. Listen to me first and then write. I will give you time to write. Amount क्या है? Amount क्या है? I have already told you जिसमें interest included है. Loan amount में interest included है. That is the amount. So 2000 के अंदर already 300 जो interest है वो included है. जब 2000 में से हम 300 minus कर देंगे तो our principal amount will come. Got it, everyone? Suppose here you know that you need to pay to the bank 2000 तो pay करने हैं और interest उस भी you also know that 300 इसके अंदर interest है. So what was your borrowed amount? What was your principal amount जो आपने लिया था बैंक से? Can anyone try and tell me? Yes, Moksh?
Ma'am, the borrowed amount will be 1,700.
Nishwa, is it correct? जब अमाउंट के अंदर ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्ट ऐड है तो आप इंटरेस्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए और
Yes, ma'am.
निकालिए. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर?
It is correct.
Yes. So 2000 minus 300, when you do, your borrowed amount will come 1,700 rupees. Put a rupees
Ma'am,
sign
we
also.
can, ma'am, if we know the friends of 10, we can do this also.
Yes.
We can do like 1,000. It will be V minus and 700 plus 300 is equal to 1,000. So it will
Yes. So always remember amount के अंदर interest included होता है. So अगर आपको principal निकालना है, borrowed amount निकालना है, तो subtract the interest from the amount. Now third condition also will be there. I will give you third condition. You have to tell me how to solve the third condition. Second condition में आपके पास principal amount निकालना था. First condition में total amount निकालना था. Second condition में principal निकालना है. अब third condition में आपको interest निकालना है. आपके पास interest नहीं है. You don't know how much interest you are paying. You have to solve the third condition by your own. Third condition में आपको पता है, everyone please listen here. I am giving you one example. In third condition, you need to find the interest. Suppose I have taken a loan of rupees 9,000. I have taken a loan of rupees 9,000. I am paying back to bank 9,600. How much is the interest included in this, students?
Ma'am, 600.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Manya. Yes, please no.
Ma'am, 600.
Yes. Very good. So third condition आपको खुद आ गई जब आपने दो condition अच्छे से पढ़ी तो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So on the basis of the all three conditions, I am going to send you a Google form today. Solve the way I have solved here in the notebook. You will also solve the sums in your notebook, then click the final answer in the Google form. Okay, I am going to write the third condition also. If you have done this, can I write the third condition?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can write.
Yeah.
Please be fast little, giving you 1 or 2 minutes time, then I will write the third condition. फर्स्ट कंडीशन में आपके पास टोटल अमाउंट नहीं था, सेकंड कंडीशन पे आपके पास प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट नहीं था, थर्ड कंडीशन में आपके पास इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द इंटरेस्ट. यस अने? अने, एनी प्रॉब्लम? And can you give me anyone give me one example based on finding the interest? Yes, Vihan Dobaria, will you try one example? जिसके केस में आपको अमाउंट पता है और borrowed amount पता है. Find out.
I just started thinking that. Which
Yes,
number-
can anyone raise your hand? And Vishrut, yes, please try one example on third condition.
Ma'am, I have taken the amount of it is 3,000. My borrow amount is 3,000, and my total amount is 300.
Total amount cannot be less than the borrowed amount. Always remember total amount will be more than the borrowed amount, क्योंकि आपको उसके अंदर इंटरेस्ट भी देना है ना?
Yes.
Now again try one more example.
I have taken the amount of rupees 15,000, and my borrowed amount is 17. Sorry, 17, not 1,400.
1,400 and you are paying 1,500.
Yes.
So how much is the interest included in this?
Ma'am, we will do plus.
How we will do plus? No. Can Tej Kumar try this example?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I am solving.
So write the question, find interest.
Ma'am, I have written find the interest.
Formula of finding interest is I equals to A minus P, means amount minus principal amount. Please give me one example. I will write your examples. What is your amount?
Ma'am,
Vishwa?
first we can write
Vishwa,
amount.
please try.
Ma'am, Vishrut one answer is 1,500.
Let Nishwa try. Nishwa?
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Yes, ask. Yeah, ask.
Ma'am, first we can write the amount and principal and then the formula.
Yeah. First you write the amount and the principal. Okay. Tell me the amount. Then you will write the formula. Amount is equals to what? Principal equals to what? And then write I equals to A minus P. Yes, tell me. Can anyone try? Anne, will you try this?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Ma'am, 900.
900 is what?
Ma'am, 900 principal.
Okay. 900 is the principal. So I will write at the place of principal. What is your amount? Always
Amount
remember.
is-
Yeah.
Amount is 10,000.
Very good. 10,000. Always remember that amount is always greater than the principal. And 10,000, it is 10,000 or 1,000 I will write. It cannot be this much gap, beta. 10,000 और principal 900 means आप 10,000 बैंक को पे कर रहे हो and you have borrowed 900. It cannot be this much gap. इतना interest तो pay नहीं करोगे ना आप. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can say that amount is 1000 and the principal is 900. So what is the interest in this, students? What is the interest in this, students?
100.
Ma'am, it is
100.
100.
So interest is equals to rupees 100. So you can you can write that your amount was 1000 and principal was 100. And please remember these numbers will come in the rupees. Got it? So I'm going to send you the Google form based on it. Please solve them properly in the notebook, then click the final answer in the Google form. And we will revise it. We will keep on revising in the next coming classes also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.